and welcome to a new crochet tutorial. My name is Olga, I love to crochet and I love sharing my work with other crocheters. It looks like crochet scarves is what the majority of my viewers prefer to watch, and today I have a new crochet scarf design to share with you. This is a very simple pattern suitable for beginners. There are only 2 repeating rows, which are very easy to remember. I used about 420 yards of bulky yarn, and the dimensions of my finished scarf are 66 inches long and 8 inches wide. The pattern can be easily adjusted to other sizes or used for other crochet projects. This is the yarn that I will be using, wool bulky natural kettle dyes by Cloudborn Fibers. And this is a category 5 bulky yarn. It's 100% wool, and the recommended hook size for this yarn is L 8 millimeters, but the largest one that I have is K 6.5 millimeters, and that's what I'm going to use. The starting chain must be a multiple of 6 plus 2, and for my scarf I start with 32 chains. I have 32 chains right here, and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the second chain from the hook, I will make a single crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. So 1, 2, and over here I make a single crochet. Next 2 chains, 1, 2. I skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next chain I will work 3 double crochets finished together, or in other words, 3 double crochet cluster. So I make 1 double crochet, but I don't finish it. I make the second one, I don't finish it, and 1 more, and now I finish them all together. Here is my cluster. Next 2 chains, and I skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next one I make a single crochet. And this is one pattern repeat. Now it repeats 2 chains, skip 2 chains, and into the next one 3 double crochets finished together. 1, 2, 3. Now again 2 chains, 1, 2. I skip 2 chains and make a single crochet into the next one. And that's how this row goes. At the end of the row, I make 2 chains. I skip 2 chains and I finish with a single crochet into the last chain. And the first row is ready. I turn my work. I start with a beginning double crochet, but it's also possible to make 3 chains instead. If you're not comfortable making a beginning double crochet, you can use 3 chains here. Next 2 chains, 1, 2, and in top of my cluster I make a single crochet, and over here I insert the hook through these 3 loops right there. Then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next single crochet I make a double crochet. Now again 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next cluster, inserting the hook through 3 loops, I make a single crochet. 2 chains and a double crochet into the next single crochet. And this is how this row goes. At the end of the row, I finish with 2 chains and a double crochet into the last single crochet. Now I have 2 rows complete. I turn my work and start the next row with 1 chain, and into the first double crochet I make a single crochet. Next 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next single crochet I work 3 double crochets finished together. Now 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next double crochet, inserting the hook directly into double crochet right here or under 3 loops. I make a single crochet. Now 2 chains and a cluster or 3 double crochets finished together into the next single crochet. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains and a single crochet into the next double crochet. And that's how this row goes. At the end of the row, I finish with 2 chains and a single crochet into the last double crochet. And if you use 3 chains instead of a double crochet, you will make the single crochet into the top chain of those 3 chains. And this is how this pattern goes. From this point, all I need to do is to repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern. Here I crocheted some more, repeating rows 2 and 3, and you can see what this pattern looks like. Very beautiful. And the last row must be row number 3, so that both edges of the scarf will match. And I'm going to continue crocheting this way until my scarf is finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and please come back again to watch my next one. Bye bye.